Welcome to CloudAlly's SaaS data protection platform. In this video, we'll look at how CloudAlly's backup for SharePoint and OneDrive can protect your valuable business data with cloud backup on your terms. CloudAlly acts as your digital guardian, performing daily AWS S3 encrypted backups of all your SharePoint and OneDrive content, from crucial business documents to team sites and collaboration spaces. First, let's set up automated backups for your SharePoint sites and OneDrive data. You can also set up bulk activation by URL or groups. But what happens when you need your data back? Experience seamless recovery with our point-in-time and granular restore. Imagine a team accidentally deleting an entire project site during cleanup. With CloudAlly, you can quickly restore all the site content. Whether it's an entire SharePoint site or a single document, your data is just a few clicks away from recovery. To ensure this powerful recovery process stays secure, CloudAlly's advanced security features give you complete control. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced protection and enforce it across your organization. Manage access with IP allow lists and single sign-on via SAML authentication. For distributed teams, our multi-admin support provides granular access management per administrator. Stay audit-ready with our comprehensive logging system. Track every user activity from sign-ins to permission changes in our immutable system and security logs. Export detailed CSV reports for compliance reviews and filter logs by user activity, status, date, and more. To back these features with industry standards, CloudAlly is ISO 27001 certified, HIPAA, and GDPR compliant. We use AES 256 encryption at rest and HTTP SSL in transit and support OAuth, Okta, and 2FA. That's not all. With 10+ global AWS data centers ensuring data sovereignty compliance, CloudAlly has got you covered with flexible and customizable backup options, trusted by 30K+ organizations. Visit cloudally.com/get started today to book a demo or start a free trial and never face data loss again.